Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 20E, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel and tap on this pencil icon, because our toggle is actually turned off, which you can find it right here. So once you see it, simply grab it, drag it over to the top and go back, and now it's accessible in our toggles. So once you actually can see it right here, you can tap on it, allow access to whatever it wants. There we go. It gives us a message to start and stop. We can just press the volume keys, I believe. Yep, volume keys simultaneously, so both of them. So let's start recording by tapping right here, and as you can see, it automatically records. You can also turn off the microphone, because for some reason by default it is enabled. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. You can open apps, minus things like Netflix. Netflix will not be recorded. So anyway, once you're done with the recording, you can simply tap on this. Oh, actually, you can just tap right here, never mind, in the notification panel, and this will save the recording, which can be found in our gallery application. So once you open it up, you can see it right over here. Just tap on it, and give it a second, it should start playing. Oh, there we go. So that is how you could record your screen on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.